Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming basics. Your Ps5 is on, you're signed into the account you want, and the system software is current. Once done, pick up the DualSense and press the PS button to open the control center. Navigate directly to settings from the control center. This avoids menus and gets you where you need to be fast. Make sure your TV display is set correctly so text is readable while you change theme settings. Readability prevents mistakes in the next step. Now you'll tune the display before flipping the theme. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, and scan Contrast and Display options. Adjust those if icons or text look washed out. Once that's done, return to Settings and find Themes or Home Screen Appearance. Console menus sometimes group appearance under System depending on updates. Select Dark or High Contrast. Preview to confirm everything is legible. If it looks good, apply the theme. This sequence avoids poor contrast and keeps games and menus readable. Finish by applying the dark theme and restarting the Ps5 to lock the change in. If the theme doesn't stick, check for parental controls or a different user profile overriding appearance settings. Switch to the intended profile and reapply. If problems persist, update system software again, or rebuild the database from safe mode to clear menu issues. This often resolves stubborn UI glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: try creating a temporary new user.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.